In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to journal in Notion in under 5 minutes. Whether you're new to journaling or an avid writer, Notion provides a flexible and customizable platform for your daily entries. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your browser and head over to your Notion workspace. This will be where your connected wiki, docs, and projects live. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so by clicking the Login button. You'll find it conveniently placed for easy access. Once you're logged in, you'll land on Notion's home page, sometimes called your dashboard. Now, what we want to do is access the templates feature. This is going to save us a lot of time by setting up a structured format for our journaling. Look for the templates option somewhere on your dashboard, often on the left-hand panel, and click on it. This action will bring up a bunch of pre-made templates that Notion offers to its users. In the search bar of the Templates section, type in Journal. Notion will sift through its vast library and suggest templates that are designed specifically for journaling tasks. This is where Notion really shines because it offers a variety of styles and structures, perfect for different journaling needs. Once the suggestions appear, take a moment to browse through them. It's essential to pick a template that speaks to your personal style or needs. Some are straightforward, focusing on simple text inputs, while others offer more complex structures, incorporating mood tracking or lists. When you find a template that suits you, go ahead and select it. After selecting your preferred template, you'll see an option to add it to your workspace. Simply click on Add. This step integrates the template into your own Notion workspace, ensuring that you can access and use it whenever you decide to journal. With the template added, the next step is customization. This is your opportunity to make it your own. You can edit sections, change headings, or even add personalized touch points, like motivational quotes or questions to reflect upon. Customization is a crucial step because by tailoring it, you create a journaling space that not only meets your needs, but also resonates with you on a personal level. As you finalize your edits, remember that Notion is about flexibility. You're encouraged to come back and adjust the template as your journaling habits evolve over time. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a personalized journaling space in Notion, ready for all your thoughts, reflections, and daily musings. Thanks for watching, and happy journaling.